Hello, I'm Draythi Rikin, and I'm currently listening to the Organizational Behavior class, and this is my presentation for the case analysis of communicating ethics at Cisco. So firstly, before we start, let me introduce you the topics that I will cover in this presentation. So firstly, we will talk about Cisco, and then we will go to the case overview, followed up by the problems and solutions of the case, and then lastly, the questions and answers. So firstly, what is Cisco? So the name Cisco comes from the city name San Francisco, and also the logo of Cisco symbolizes the towers of the Golden Gate Bridge. So Cisco is an American multinational IT company with the offices worldwide, and also it was established in 1984 with the headquarters in San Jose, California. So Cisco is the company who puts the high value on the ethics and the corporate social responsibility CSR. So the ethics trainees are like the investment from the company, and also so the responses from the employee survey really make the company leaders concerned. So they decided to revamp the training program into the more interactive way, and then that gives them the satisfied results. So if we go a little deeper into the case, so the problem of the case was the how the training program was conducted. So most of the employees of Cisco were the tech-savvy engineers who were used to figuring the things out by themselves. So they are more experienced with the activities more than the theoretical situations. So the PowerPoint training session was boring and dry for them. And also the company leaders realized that the old-fashioned PowerPoint session is just cramming the information into the employee's head. So they decided to change the training program into more interactive and engaging way depending on the personality of the employees and also the responses from the survey. So what was the solution? So the solution was the Ethics Idol, which based on the American Idol, the TV show. So in Ethics Idol, the cartoon contestants and the difficult and complex ethical situations, and then the three judges give their decisions on the situations. After that, the employees vote on the decisions made by the judges. So it becomes more interactive and engaging, and also it enhances the interest from the employees more than the previous PowerPoint session. So also this led to the rewriting of the new code of business conduct in more simpler and clearer language, and most of the employees are found that the new code of business conduct was easy to read and also easy to understand and also easy to comprehend. So as a result, the ethic idols was the nice solution, and also it becomes the interactive training program, and also it received a strong return on investment on the training programs. So lastly, the questions and answers. So number one, what are the advantages of ethics idol as an ethics training communication medium over in-person PowerPoint training? So in my opinion, it gives the employees a chance to engage and also really engage and participate in the training program instead of just listening to the PowerPoint. And another thing is that they got to listen to the ideas and opinions and decisions of the other people, which gives them the chance to actually think of their own ideas and decisions. And another thing is that the voting system shows the openness of the situation and the organization. So it was really effective compared to the PowerPoint session. And number two, so would you enjoy this type of training program? Why or why not? So my answer is yes. I usually enjoy these kind of interactive sessions more than the listening only sessions. I'm also someone who enjoys the activities more than the theories. So I will enjoy this type of interactive training program, but it should be open to one point instead of just one or two people getting the spotlight or taking the stage or making doing all the talk. So I think it should be fair and embrace the participative spirit. of the employees without pressuring them. So I will enjoy this type of training, which gives me the chance to show my opinions and ideas and also my decision making skills. And I think that voting is also the good choice. So I will enjoy this type of training program. So number three, can you think of other ways ethics and corporate social responsibility information could be communicated in an engaging way? So based on the example from the Cisco, I think we can also make the role play sessions with the simulations of the real life ethical situations. So those sessions will give the employees the hand-on experience on the ethical situations, and they will know what to do or how to behave when they really experience those situations in their real life. And also the excitement to participate in the play will give the employees the motivation to engage in their daily work. And another thing is the open discussion on the situations might also help spreading the information, but I think it will also enhance the organizational behavior and decision making. And lastly, another thing is the feedback system on the current ethical situations in the company. So if you have to give feedback to something, then you will have to understand the situation and really engage with the information. So that will give the employees the chance to really engage with the information instead of just listening or reading. So yes, these are the useful ways that might help the communication. So these are my answers to the questions, and this is the end of my case analysis presentation. So thank you.